Welcome to our Bootstrap 4 course. Within this course, we're going to be discussing the differences between Bootstrap 4, the updates that have been made since Bootstrap 3, any major changes. We're going to be going over components, how to use them, how to apply them, as well as all the different functionality that we're going to be highlighting that's available within Bootstrap. I've been a web developer for over 14 years. I've been using Bootstrap for the past 3 years on a regular basis, developing web applications as well as websites using Bootstrap. Bootstrap is an amazing front-end framework that encompasses HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to really deliver that dynamic functionality quicker and easier. It's amazing all of the functionality that Bootstrap can provide. Let us introduce you to Bootstrap 4. Let's begin.